Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna show you how to cancel your subscription on Descript. So first you need to go to your space. So click enter the Descript URL. Then you go to your account, click here, choose setting. In the menu you need to select subscription. Here you have your current plan, so we click on change plan and then we select downgrade to free, and here you're gonna choose a reason or why are you canceling this plan. For example, I can justify the price, then click on cancel subscription, go to account, and that's all. Your plan is or your subscription is cancelled. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.